What's up, guys? So, we have been hearing strange noises here in our neighborhood up at the church, which is behind our house back there. And our sister went
Okay, I'm back. She hasn't returned.
all the way over there
now, and
past that sign.
She's been up there,
And she's going to see
it's scary.
what is going on. And it sounds like some killer clowns or something. So
Oh my God,
she's running.
She's
running
back. Is she hurt? Is she hurt?
No, but she's coming. She's running.
Oh my God, she's running fast, bro.
Do you see that? Yeah, that figure right there.
Bro, that's the fastest I've ever seen her. Aries!
Yep, she has
Oh
returned.
my God, what happened? So she's gonna tell us what happened.
There's a party, but I saw clowns, so I'm like, hell.
Nuh-uh.
Where did
And I was exactly talking about killer clowns, wasn't I?
Yeah, is it a clown party? Is everyone clown?
There's a whole bunch of little kids with their screaming, all happy and shit. But I saw a clown.
Disclaimer, party.
So it's a party, but
But we're gonna keep
heck
you updated
no.
because the clown when he saw me didn't look too happy. That's why.
so I would say maybe it's a killer clown.
So we're gonna keep
And-
you guys updated.
Yeah, we're gonna keep you updated. I'm going to pause the vlog
Guys,
right
we're gonna
here.
Keep you updated. I do ran home.
So
There was a clown.
yeah, update, guys. So me, her, and her might go up there, and I'll try to get some footage for you of the clown if we do go up there. And yeah.
Can you stick with her down here? You're strong.
Okay, guys. So the noise. This update. So guys, the noise
I love you guys
and
wish me luck.
all this stuff has like stopped randomly, and we're debating on if we should go up there
If we are gonna go up there, we need to go now.
or if it should be two of us, and then one
You
of.
should check it up that way. Me and Gia should go that way.
No, I'm not
Or
going by
you and
myself.
Gia can go that way and I'll go that way.
No,
But like I'll go into the
No,
inside the graveyard.
but
Yeah, Gia.
maybe it should be like two of them. One of
You wanna
them.
go inside, baby?
It should be like I'll go in there with her, but
Alright, go in there with
and then y'all two can go up there, get some footage.
I'm not going.
Oh yeah, you're not, huh? But like, yeah. So we don't know. I'll update you on the next thing that we decide. Okay? Update, guys. So I guess we're going now. And she has on a flashlight like a dummy. Which,
flashlight for a reason to distract.
Oh my God, if
So,
I get caught by
yeah.
my mama.
oh yeah. Cause I did tell her we were just in the driveway, so she might come out looking. But you won't get in trouble if you go.
I can't go alone though. Like,
Well, you can. All you have to do is sneak up there.
shut up. Stop being so loud. Like,
I guess we're gonna say that like we went to see an old friend or something.
no, because your scooter is still down at Jemias's. We can go get that after we're done. You just say, I had to go get my scooter.
Or we
Because
could
it's
just
in
say
their
we went to look for it, or y'all went to look for it.
So you're not coming with us?
But
Okay, I'm gonna say
I'm a.
if she comes out, just say that like we went to look for it. But I'm gonna get back.
Okay, well I'm gonna go in. So, I'll be watching out the window. So when they get back, I'll come back on. Okay, guys. So they went to the woods and they heard a noise and I didn't go up there. So I guess this is the end of the video. Goodbye.